Hello guys and welcome again. So now it's time to play with the template or learn how to use the template. As you can see here in our topology, I add some new connections. So the first connection between VH1 and switch 1, and also between VH2 and switch 1. This is switch 1, this is for management. And also we have an interface Giga 0 is connected to switch 2 and switch 2 is connected to the server. On that side also VH2 is connected to switch 3 and switch 3 to server 2. So our first objective to make sure this server 1 can reach server 2, okay? And the second option, or sorry, second objective to avoid to using the CLI. So I'm gonna configure everything from vManager, okay, for VH2 and VH1, but for the switch 2 and switch 3, because this is a normal switches, so I'm gonna use the CLI. To explain it to you more about the topology or what we are going to do, so here I'm gonna create an OSPF protocol, and also from that side OSPF protocol, and in the middle we have the default protocol, which is the OMP, okay, and we have also the VPN. We have the default VPN for the management, which is 512, and we have the normal one VPN 0, Giga 01. For example, this is Giga 01 is in the VPN 0, the transport VPN. And also we need to create another VPN between Giga 0 in the VH1 to Giga 02 in the VH2. This is for the IPsec, okay, to make sure this server 1 can reach server 2, okay. And also we're gonna do the redistribution between two protocols, because in that case we have OSPF here, and in the middle we have what, OMP, and here we have OSPF, okay. That's good. So now let's create a template, but just for your information, I'm going to divide this lab to several videos, okay, because to make the video not long, okay. So let's directly go to vManager. So here we have a dashboard, okay. If you want to create the template, we need to go to the configuration, then going to templates. Okay, good. Here in the template you have two options. You have the first option from future template, which is this is a future already or future template already ready. Just you need to modify on it. But for the CLI template is custom one. You're gonna do it manually, but we don't going to do that. We're going directly to from future template. So first of all we need to create the future first, okay. So let's add template. Now it's asking me to select the device. So here in the device we have a 2VH, okay, and VH, this is VH Cloud, okay. This is VH Cloud. Let's go directly VH Cloud. Okay, good. And here you have several templates. So for example, you have basic information, okay, you have VPNs, you have the other template like banner, BGP, OSPF, and so on, multicast. So what we need in our lab, so we have VH1 and VH2. So first of all we need the system, okay, to define the site ID, system IP, and so on, okay. After that we need the VPNs. We need each interface. Also we need to mention the interface and mention also which VPN is belong, okay. So VPN 0 is dedicated to Giga 01, and 512 is dedicated to Ethernet 0, and VPN, for example, number 10 is for Giga 00, okay. So I hope this is clear. And so here we need the system, we need OMP also. This is just because this is by default is configured, but we need it for redistribution to OSPF. And in the VPN we need the VPN and we need the interface Ethernet. Okay, also we're gonna use the banner, okay, and use the OSPF. Okay, I hope this is clear. So let's start with the first template. I'm going to start with the system. So here we have, you need to give a name for this template. I'm going to give a system description as you want. Okay, let's keep it at system as well. In the site ID, so here the site ID, I need to mention my site ID, but there is one thing. Here we have two nodes, okay, VH1 and VH2, and every VH has a dedicated site ID, okay, or independent site ID. So in that case you need to keep it like device specific, because if you are using the global and here asked you to do for example, I fix it as a 4 and I save it and I already attached this template to my device, so you will discover that site ID 4 is configured in VH1 and VH2, and this is not good. Okay, it's not good at all. So to avoid that, let's keep it like a device specific, and later on I'm going to configure the site ID, okay, based on your VH. Okay, good. System IP as well, I'm going to let it like a specific device specific. Okay, time zone, if you want to change it, no problem. Host name as well, location as well, I will keep it like that. So for the console, as you can see, for the console is fixed as global, okay, because I'm going to do the console, for example 9600 for both VHs, okay, but this is optional. You can do it as a specific and give every or each VH, you give a specific console rate. Okay, so this is based on you. Let's keep it like that. Okay, good. Then save. We create the first template already, so now I need to create the second template. Also I need to mention my VH cloud. Okay, good. And also I need to start with VPN. Okay, for the VPN actually we have 3. We have VPN 0, VPN 512 and VPN 10. Okay, so let's give a name for that one, VPN 0 for example as well. So for the VPN, 0 is exist in both VHs. Okay, name, if you want to give a name, I don't want to give. Okay, and DNS no need. Do we need advertise OMAP? OMAP we don't need it or not. Okay, OMAP, okay, let's keep it like that. If something we missed, we gonna back to our template and modify it. Do we need the default route? We don't need default route here in Giga 00. We don't need default route. The only default route we need it in the management, in the VPN 512. Okay, so let's keep it like that. Save. Okay, and let's add another template for the VPN 512. Okay, VPN, this is VPN. I'm going to give a name as VPN 512, VPN 512, and here I need to change. Okay, I'm going to configure 512. Do we need the default route? Yes, we need default route here. Add new IPv4 route. Here the prefix, let's do it default route. Okay, and next hop. So here I need to add the next hop. The next hop is 192.168.1.7.4.2. Okay, good. Add. Then add also here. After that we need to save. Okay, good. And the last one for the VPN, we're gonna use the VPN 10. Okay, VH cloud, VPN. Okay, good. Then going to give a name, VPN 10. Okay, great. And this is here also 10. Do we need default route? We don't need any default route. Okay, good. Let's save directly. Now, yeah, the video is 10 minutes already. So yeah, we will complete the other template in the next video. Thank you so much for your watching and consideration. See you in the next video.